Dumpster rental service in Vincennes, Indiana. When you need a trusted dumpster rental service in Vincennes, Indiana, MK Rolloffs is the name to remember. We're proud to help Vincennes residents, businesses, and contractors manage waste quickly and affordably. Whether you're cleaning out an attic, remodeling your home, or overseeing a large construction site, we have the right dumpster for you. We offer a wide selection of dumpster sizes to fit your project's needs perfectly. Our team ensures timely delivery and pickup, so your work can stay on schedule. We're here to help you choose the right dumpster and answer all your questions. With us, you can count on clear, upfront pricing with no surprises. As a local business, we care deeply about providing exceptional service to the Vincennes community. Our dumpsters are well maintained and ready to handle all types of waste. We're committed to making the rental process easy and hassle-free. You can trust us to provide the support you need from beginning to end. Call MK Rolloffs today at 812-798-7308 and find out why Vincennes customers choose us for all their dumpster rental needs. We're ready to help you get the job done right.